This is Wilfried, the PCB designer again. After SEC constrained, routed and tuned the whole board, I want to ensure the routing quality of the DDR4 interface before the board will be handed over to Rory, the SI/PI expert, for the final sign-off. This left-shift approach not just reduces the time for iterative cycles between me and Rory to fix issues, additionally, I can learn and make my own experience to avoid typical SI issues in future. To take that hurdle, the tight integration between Expedition and hyperlinks helps a lot. Of course, as an old and experienced layout designer, I am very happy that Rory, the SI expert, configured hyperlinks and the DDR-X wizard already correctly. Typical activities he did were checking and modifying IBIS models, assigning IBIS models, the configuration of power nets, and finally setting up the DDR-X wizard. The DDR-X wizard helps us to configure a complete DDR4 test bench. All requirements from timing margin to signal I characteristics are considered. With the different ODT settings, Hyperlinks is capable to simulate the read and write use case. Since this is just a fast first check and time to results matters a lot, we will uncheck the crosstalk and power aware simulation. These checks are done in the final sign-off by Rory. At the end, the wizard checks all settings and model characteristics, like thresholds. This final check gives us a high level of confidence and we can run the simulation. In the HTML report we can browse through all test cases, like data read, data write, differential pairs, address and commands. In this table-based overview we can easily see that we passed all compliance tests. We can also identify how big our margins are. This is very important for me as an PCB designer, because this reflects if the PCB layout is robust and passed through the final sign-off when other effects like crosstalk and power aware are considered as well. We can see that we are in a very good shape in regards to the DDR4 interface. In the next step, we want to make sure that all other nets are electrical correct as well. This is done with Hyperlinks DRC.